So in this lesson, we're going to discuss another type of SNR, which is called the head and shoulder SNR. So this is a type of SNR that happens in any time frame in the market. But basically the way it happens is very unique. So basically this is a sell side head and shoulder SNR. And this type of SNR pattern, it happens like this. So we have the price pushed to a certain point, and then the market pushed to the downside, breaks the point, and then anticipating that it is going to retest to this level here, it breaks the level again. And when it breaks the level, it actually breaks the last point in the market, which is the market structure point that pushed the price to go to the upside. So I've explained two things right here. So the first thing that happens is that we saw the price breaking this level here. As we can see, it went up, breaks the level, and then anticipating that it might come to this level to make a break and retest. That is the other type of SNR that we discussed in the previous video. But it didn't do as that. It went down, breaking the structure point. And so this is a very important thing that you need to notice, the difference between these patterns. So right here we have what? We have a break of what? Break of a structure point at this particular area, because this is also another perfect SNR level that we're going to discuss in the next video. So we have a break of a structure point at this particular point when the price was moving and pushing, coming from the top right here and going down. So this what makes the head and shoulder very unique. Why? Because not only does it breaks a very important level in the market, it also breaks the structure point, meaning it is now showing signs of selling opportunities in the market. But now the question is, where exactly can we sell in the market? So the answer is, we sell from our previous SNR level that we plotted this particular area. The same point that we were anticipating right here, that we are going to get a break and what? A break and retest. Because here to the upside, we saw the market breaking this structure point, going upwards, and then we anticipated a break and retest at this particular area, and the market failed. So the market comes back to this area, making two equal highs here, and then a very bigger high. This point to the left right here and this point right here makes the two shoulders, and the head becomes this one right here. So we sell at what? At the second leg of the second shoulder. That's where we sell the market, and we pushed with the price all the way down, going downwards like this. Right, so let's look at the buy side SNR head and shoulder pattern. Right, so what are we having here, guys? So what we're having here is that we have the price creating a very sharp classic SNR at start at this point, and then the market goes up, then drops heavily, breaking this point right here, anticipating that the price is going to make a retest, making a breakout SNR to this point so that the market can go down. It didn't do that. It went outside, also breaking what? It breaks the structure point. So what we had here was a complete break of structure. What structure has been broken? The bearish structure. So when a bearish structure has been broken, what does it signals? It signals the selling market has now come to the end, and it signals the beginning of a new potential market that is to push to the upside. And this is a market that now at this particular point we begin to look for buys. So what happened when we saw the market breaking this point? The market breaks the point, and then later on it pushed the downside to come to this point, which becomes and completes our pattern, which is the head and shoulder pattern. And this signals the first shoulder, and this signals the second shoulder at this particular point, and then here in the middle, this is our head. So this is our head and shoulder SNR level. So when we are buying on the buy side SNR level, we're just waiting for the price to come to touch the same level here that we have drawn, which is our SNR level, and then we can sell from this particular point, then we can profit from this big move. So I can promise you guys, if you are able to identify these patterns, like these patterns, it usually happens on the lower time frames, starting from the H1 time frame going downwards, H1 50-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. You're going to see how powerful it is. And the reason why I like this type of pattern, it will give you that wonderful trade that you will not even go in a big drawdown. So you're just taking your trade from your SNR, and then boom, you've catched that big spike move in the markets, especially if you're going to be trading spikes. So if it is selling, it means that you're going to be selling crash, and if it is for the buy side SNR, it means that you're going to be using it to buy boom 500, boom 1000, and boom 300 index.